Hello, we got a Cayenne 955 Turbo 2004. Just replaced these. My part has the Phillips screw, it's right in there. And it is, if you're curious, so I replaced this part here. This one was okay, but the other one was shattered. This is, I believe, a mechanism that holds the seat in position when you got it laying down. And so this is the part that superseded this one, and the screws were missing. Two were missing, so I needed two more, and they are a sheet metal screw I bought at Ace Hardware that is 3/4 of an inch. So if you need the screw, it's 3/4 of an inch, and I got it anodized or black anodized. So, but anyway, it's fairly simple. Use a screwdriver to unscrew it and then put down the new part, and this part should be going this way as it used to go like that, and this, like I said, is a newer part. Thanks, bye. Here's the actual part number for that part that I was reviewing. Please subscribe. It should have more Porsche stuff to come. My next task is changing transmission fluid. Thanks, bye.